how to add behavior on your bot in BotSonic. In order to do that, what you can do is you can head over right here to this. So we have in here these integrations in box and analytics, but for this one, let's choose AI agent. And as we can see in here, the behaviors. So any behavior will be added right here. So if you want to make them friendly, you can click on this add behavior right here. Now from in there, you can head over and say something like a reference, and this doesn't actually allow the what's behavior. So this will only serve as a title. So for example, let's put in here something like helpful. And then you can say something like describe the trigger condition. So for example, you can say something like whenever someone has a technical problem. So you can say something like that. And then once you have head over and then added right here the trigger condition, you can add in here some trigger phrases. So you can click on this add another right here as well if you want. So you can also remove it if you want to as well, and you can just put in here the instruction as well as the ability set will be linked. So for example, let's say something like search the internet to find the right answer. So this is just an example. You can program it to your liking. And then in here, you can also add your link abilities. And then from there, click on save. So once you have saved that, it will be added right. So that's how you add behavior on your bot in BotSonic. Hope we helped.